Holy shit. Holy shit. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Please let me catch this. Oh my gosh, is this a smallmouth? This is a record. I'll record this. Oh, what was it? It's a catfish? Oh, no wonder. Oh, I caught a catty. He slammed the damn net rig. Oh my gosh. Come on over here, catty. Woo! Catty out the net. Catty out the net. Come on, catty. Woo! Put you over here. Oh, man, I said that was a bass. That was a world record bass. It was Minnesota. Cause there ain't no way that could have been a bass. Oh my gosh. Big cat. Off the Ned rig. Nice size catty. Beautiful. Let's get him off. He hit that like a sack of bricks fell on my line, dude. That was awesome. The TRD craw, man, with the weedless Ned hooks. See y'all when I get them on hook.